In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a class or a group inside of eBackpack. Before we begin, however, we must first understand what a class is within eBackpack. A class is simply a generic term for any group of people that will be passing documents back and forth. So a traditional class in which students are enrolled is qualified as a class. But also think of classes in these terms: groups for group projects, student organizations, faculty departments, tutoring groups, sports teams, and more. For example, if you are the faculty sponsor for the chess club after school and you wanted to distribute materials to all of your members of your club, you would do so by first creating the chess club as a class in eBackpack. With the terminology out of the way, let's begin. To create a class, start by selecting Classes and Groups tile from the home screen. Choose the Add Class Group option from the toolbar directly next to the plus sign. First, enter in your class name. The next two fields, class code and display name, are not required. Class code is like an internal identification number and is typically used when the school's information system is syncing with eBackpack. Display name simply changes the outward name of the class for any class admin or members. The next options are member commenting and member file sharing. Member commenting allows for group discussion in the class. For example, if you set this to allow, you could post a document or a link to a video and ask for a class discussion around the document or video. Member file sharing is for group collaboration and group projects. Member file sharing allows any member of the class to upload documents and share with other members of the class. Below member commenting and file sharing are options for assignment length and due time. These are simply default due dates and times for assignments created within the class. If you change these settings, you can still change the individual due date and time for assignments created within the class. You may also choose to hide the class if it is a class you will not need to access until a later date. Select the Add button, and your new class should now display on your Classes and Groups page. Watch our Managing Your Roster and Distributing Join codes to learn how to add students to your newly created class or group.